Some paths are born without an end. Some views are reserved only for those brave enough to climb. I am Lightbeat Codex. Behind me are my two successors and my lifetime off-road partners, the Ultra Bee and the Hyper Bee. This is the designer who created me, along with the R&D team. Come take a look at our office, the off-road track. The work vibe here must be at the max level. This is where we were born, the Cyber Mountain City, Chongqing. At the 20,000 square meter headquarters of Surron's R&D Center, engineers crafted our most reliable bodies under the strictest craftsmanship standards. But it's not that simple. Want to leave the factory? First, you must pass the Devil's Quality Inspection. Variety of deliberately challenging tests are just part of our daily routine. The inspectors say that only millimeter-level precision is worthy of our most hardcore performance. To us, though, this is a ritual, the highest tribute to every journey we embark on. Performance and quality are never an either-or choice here. The engineers say, I want them all. After all, from the very beginning, wildness is engineered into our DNA, boundless creativity, breaking the mold. We were born with an attitude of, ride with us. This is the factory, but also our first racing ground. This is the assembly line, but also the starting point of all passion. The track outside the office is an extension of our workstations, a playground after work. At Surron, work and passion are never separated. This is who we are. This is how Surron has come all the way here. Starting from here, from the hands of those who know electric motorcycle best and love them most. I'm ready. Are you?